Hello, this is David Chill, the self-styled hot foil guru, and we're here today in the hot foil studio. And I just wanted to show you this machine here. This is the ProFoil 310 machine. At time of filming this, which was late 23, early 2024, we have one of these for sale, which is second hand. We've never had one of these in before, and it's the largest hand-operated hot foil machine that we've seen. It has what they call a 10 by 12 inch print head, which is massive for a hand-operated machine, although I'm a little bit concerned in the fact you can't really print at that size. You need to print a little bit smaller, as with every other hand-operated hot foil machine, I might add. It's got some lovely features. It's very similar to the Kobo range of machines that we have been selling for a number of years now, and just wanted to really point out it's got a temperature control, it's got an automatic foil feed, it has a counter, a straightforward on and off switch. It does have a toggle action, and it has got a nice smooth action. You can bring the head up and down and make adjustments to your pressure setting, as well as having a sliding table that comes in and out. It doesn't have a chase with it, it only has a die mounting block. But if you're interested in a machine of this size, I don't think many come on the market, or I know this is the first one we've had, and it won't hang around for long. So I'm happy to answer any questions, but if you want to snap it up, it's about half of the normal retail price. So that's David Chill at the hotfoiluk.com website. Find us online or phone us up at Versatility Imprint in Bromsgrove. Thank you.